Welcome back to my channel once again. Here I'm standing in the river that people use the water for drinking. Others use the water for bathing. Others use this water for domestic use. That is they bring their cows here to drink water. Water flows from up there. It's not the water I'm talking about. It is flowing towards down there. And we have also a chlorine dispenser that is located up there. I'll be taking you up there. This is American project to this part of Kenya. This project people come here to fetch water for drinking. After fetching their water for drinking from this river here, they now come and treat their water using this American chlorine dispenser, which has helped to reduce some of the waterborne diseases. I'll be taking you where the container is. They collect their water from that river down here, from that river there. After collecting the water in containers, they come and treat their water using this chlorine dispenser here. This chlorine dispenser here has chlorine inside. This one here, as you can see, this way. This chlorine dispenser here has helped the people of this area to treat their water using chlorine. It is just located here. Down there we have the river, and here we have the chlorine dispenser. Every drop of chlorine to 20 liters of water, it treats. Yeah, they turn this one drop to a 20-liter container, and then they take that chlorine down there to put water inside the container after collecting a drop of chlorine. Then they fill their containers with water as they take it for drinking to their home area. See, that is the route towards. This is now the forest. The forest. That one there. After people of this village collecting after having a drop of chlorine, they go and fetch water, and then they take the water to their home area for drinking. I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'm now moving up It's our river there. Up there we have tea plantation. There we have tea that you are seeing there. It is on that top of the hill. That is the river that I was talking about. Tea plantation. Up there we have tea plantation. These people, they grow tea as cash crops. That's their main cash crop. This place is very clean, very green. This place is green. This is a small field where people tie their cows to grades.